Hello, friends. Ever wondered how computers solve big problems fast? Today, we are diving into algorithms, step-by-step plans computers use to think and solve. Ready to become problem-solving heroes. What is an algorithm? An algorithm is a list of instructions to solve a problem or complete a task. Think of it like a recipe for your favorite cake or a set of directions to reach a friend's house. For example, if I want to sort my toys from smallest to biggest, I follow steps. That's an algorithm. Simple algorithm example. Let's sort these blocks together. Step 1. Look for the smallest block. Step 2. Put it in a line. Step 3. Repeat until all blocks are in order. Algorithms in real life. Algorithms aren't just for computers, we use them every day. Like how you decide the fastest way to get to school or the steps you follow in a science experiment. In computers, algorithms help with searching, sorting, and making decisions. Problem-solving techniques. Good problem-solving breaks big problems into smaller parts. This is called divide and conquer, a powerful technique in programming. Let's solve a maze. Step by step, we choose paths, backtrack when needed, and find the exit. Fun activity. Now it's your turn. Think of a task you do daily, like brushing your teeth or packing your bag. Write the steps as if you were a robot following your commands. Share your algorithms in the comments below.